Welcome back, everyone! In today's video, we're going to explore some fantastic tips and tricks for maximizing space in small apartments or homes. Living in a compact space doesn't mean you have to compromise on comfort or style. With a few smart strategies, you can create a functional and spacious living environment. Let's get started. Assessing your space. Before we dive into the tips, it's essential to assess your space. Take a close look at the layout, available storage areas, and any existing furniture or fixtures. This evaluation will help you identify the potential for optimizing the space. Evaluate the floor plan and identify any unused or underutilized areas. Consider the dimensions and shape of your rooms when planning. Clever storage solutions. One of the keys to maximizing space is finding smart storage solutions. Here are some ideas to help you make the most of every nook and cranny. Utilize vertical space with wall-mounted shelves or floor-to-ceiling bookcases. Invest in multifunctional furniture, such as ottomans with hidden storage or beds with built-in drawers. Use hanging organizers, hooks, and door-mounted racks for extra storage in closets and bathrooms. Maximize kitchen storage by using magnetic strips for knives, pot racks, and stackable containers. Space-enhancing furniture. Choosing the right furniture can significantly impact the perceived space in a small apartment or home. Let's explore some space-enhancing furniture options. Opt for furniture with slim profiles and light colors to create an open and airy atmosphere. Consider furniture pieces that can serve multiple purposes, such as a sofa bed or a dining table that can double as a workspace. Incorporate furniture with built-in storage compartments, like coffee tables with hidden compartments or storage ottomans. Folding or collapsible furniture can be a lifesaver in small spaces. Creating illusions of space. Creating illusions of space is a fantastic way to visually expand your small apartment or home. Let's dive into some design tricks. Use mirrors strategically to reflect light and create the illusion of a larger space. Opt for curtains or blinds that allow ample natural light to flow in, making the room feel brighter and more spacious. Choose light, neutral paint colors to open up the space visually. Hang curtains higher and wider than the window frame to give the impression of larger windows. By implementing these tips, you can transform your small apartment or home into a functional and spacious haven. Remember to assess your space, incorporate clever storage solutions, choose space-enhancing furniture, and create illusions of space. Don't let limited square footage limit your creativity and comfort. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Share your own space-saving tips in the comments below. Until next time, happy maximizing!